The atom. The atom is the fundamental building block of the entire universe, yet it is impossible to see an atom under a normal because of the atom is just 1/1,000,000th of a millimeter across. In other words, 100 million atoms placed would be just 1 centimeter long. A page of paper is 1 million atoms. Large, 500,000 atoms. There are some 40 million of our. Or to count a single salt, 1 million atoms per second, 4 hours a day, it would take us more than 5 years. Just this sentence alone contains some 125 million atoms. Our cells, what we, our homes, mountains, the heavens, the sun, the glorious planets, all the stars and galaxies, in short, absolutely everything, made up of atoms, just enough to create all these things from a tiny speck and to bring them into being out of nothing with no natural causes. Our Lord tells us in one verse that, I seek refuge in Allah from the accursed Satan. It is He who created the heavens and the earth with truth. The day He says, be, it is. His speech is true. The trumpet is blown. The all